New rules from the CDC could be good news for those who have received their coronavirus vaccines. Among the changes, people who are fully vaccinated can now visit other people indoors without masks or social distancing, but certain precautions still need to be taken. Dennis Ting takes a closer look at these changes 1 year after the coronavirus was first reported in Louisville.
It was 1 year ago tomorrow when the first coronavirus patient walked into U of L Health. Since then, a lot has changed. March 2020, 1 year ago, marked with so much uncertainty. A deadly virus closing businesses, emptying schools, shutting down factories, and sending healthcare workers into one of the most stressful and heartbreaking years of their lives.
It's really hard to come in and see these patients every day, and it's a challenge to speak with patients who have COVID, who don't know what's going to happen to them.
Fast forward 12 months. More than 500,000 people have died from the coronavirus in the United States, but there is hope on the horizon. Vaccines are now being rushed out around the country, with many healthcare workers and those most at risk for the virus having already received their doses.
And I think it's important for people to understand that if you had the vaccine, that is a step towards getting, back to more interaction and more social connection.
As more and more people receive their vaccines every day, the CDC is issuing new guidelines. If you're fully vaccinated, you can gather indoors without masks and distancing with others who have been vaccinated, or with unvaccinated people from one other household that are considered low risk. If it's with people who may be at high risk for COVID-19, you should still take these preventative measures.
I'm not going to be checking everyone's vaccine card. So for a while, you're really going to be reliant on, this is family and friends, people you know well.
While there is still a ways to go, and who knows what things will look like in another year, many healthcare leaders have learned so much already about fighting the coronavirus and about finding the bright spots during a dark year.
You simply have to turn a corner or walk into a unit, and you can see someone who has done something extraordinary during the past year.
For WHAS 11 News, I'm Dennis Ting.